This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 3.2.6 on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to state that plants are supported by turgor pressure. So first of all, let's talk about water pressure in plant cells. So we know that water enters plant cells. It enters through the cell wall. The cell wall is fully permeable, so anything can move in and out of the cell wall. Through the cell membrane, which is semi-permeable, so water is allowed in. It can stay in the cytoplasm or move into the cell vacuole, which takes up a predominant amount of space within the cell structure itself. So water fills the plant cell vacuole and the cytoplasm. This creates water pressure that's pushing outward against the cell wall. Now, while the cell wall is totally permeable, it is inelastic. That means it's not going to stretch very much or give way to the pressure. So it's really going to hold firm onto that plant cell. So therefore the plant cell won't explode because it's full of water. Now, as you can see, plant cells, of course, are packed up next to each other. So all this is happening in all of the plant cells, all of this water pressure individually in each of the plant cells. So this creates what is called turgor pressure. So as the walls of these cells, which are turgid, that is full of water, push against each other, the entire plant now is going to be supported by the turgor pressure of the collective cells. So the cells in a plant that does not have turgid cells being full of water does not have turgor pressure, and therefore the plant is wilted, as we see on the right-hand diagram. Whereas the plant, where the cells of the plant are full of water and those cells are turgid, then the plant will have turgor pressure and then stand up straight. So that's why when you have a plant that's wilted, when you water it, usually the next morning, it's standing up straight again. Why? Because the water was absorbed by the roots, went into all of the cells, and now all the cells are full of water, and those cells are considered turgid cells. And we'll go more into detail on that term in another video.